Hello children, I am going to give you the explanation of class 5 English literature for the third chapter Rapunzel, adapted from the story by the Grimm brothers. Now this is a story about Rapunzel. Rapunzel is a girl with a long golden color hair. Okay, so let us see. Now in the beginning we see there was a couple. Okay, they had no children, but by God's grace they were blessed. Now they were going to have one. They had a very small house, okay, and in that house there was a small window. So when the lady was pregnant, she could see through the small window, the opposite side there was a big wall, okay, and after the wall she could see beautiful gardens with full of flowers and herbs, and also a plant called rampion. Now the rampion is a plant with beautiful bell-shaped flowers which roots can be eaten, and the roots are very tasty. Now this lady she just wanted to eat those roots. So in that desperation, she became sick. Okay. So one day when the husband came and asked, "What happened to you?" The lady said that if I can't eat some of the rampion which is in the garden behind our house, I shall die. So when the lady said this, the man said that I love you so much and I can do anything for you. So the man, he went to the garden to bring some rampion. Now the problem here was that garden belonged to a witch who was very dangerous. None of the village people want to go there into the garden for anything. Nobody wanted to go there. But this fellow, because he loved her wife so much, so he took a chance and went there. He brought some of the roots. The lady immediately ate it. Now, after eating once, she wanted to eat again and again. So 3-4 times, the man, he went and brought the roots. The fourth time, when he tried to go over there, the witch caught him and said that now you are going to pay a huge punishment. You are going to get a punishment. But the man, he asked sorry. He pleaded so much that please, I am very much sorry. Please leave me. The witch agreed, but under a condition. Now the condition was that the man, as soon as his wife will give birth to the baby has to be handed over to the witch. So this was the condition, and the man anyhow accepted it because he just wanted to save his life that time. So within few months the baby was delivered, and the witch came immediately, gave the baby a name called Rapunzel, and she took the baby and went back to her house. Now when she went back, after few years, like after 12 years, Rapunzel, she grew up into a very beautiful girl, and she had long golden colored hair. Okay. Now what she did, the witch, she did not wanted to keep Rapunzel to any of the worldly matters. She wanted to keep her away from the world. So she locked Rapunzel into a big tower onto the top with no stairs, no ladder, nothing. Just they had a small window, and every time the witch wanted to go up meet Rapunzel, she used to call from down that Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair down to me. And Rapunzel, through the window, she used to fasten one end of her hair to the loop of the window, to the hook of the window, and then let her rest of the hair down. With which, holding the hair, the witch used to go up, climb and meet Rapunzel. So this, like this, it was just going on day by day by day. Now after 2 years, one day a prince, it happened so that the prince was going through the forest. He heard a very sweet song. Usually just to pass time, Rapunzel used to sing. So when the prince heard the sound, he just wanted to know from where the sound is or who was singing the song. When he came to know that the sound is somewhere from the tower, he wanted to climb up, but he could not find any way. So he just waited, but because he could not find any way, he went home back. Next day, he came there and was listening to the song, and he saw the witch crying that Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair down. And now he got the key to go up to the tower. So in the morning the witch came to the tower. In the evening the prince, he also went there, and down he also stood and shouted, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair down. Rapunzel, as usual, she again let the hair down. The prince, he climbed up to the tower. Now Rapunzel was very much frightened because she has never seen anyone. And this boy was so smart, so handsome. Now the prince, he just told everything, whatever he had been through. Like he heard the sound, the music, and he wanted to see the girl. They both fell in love and got married. But Rapunzel said, I really want to come up with you, but I don't have any way how to come. She said that every time you come to visit, please bring the skein of silk. With the help of that, I will weave a ladder, and when the ladder is done, we both will run away. So like this, every time the prince used to come and bring some silk, and she used to weave the ladder. One day, the witch, instead of the son, instead of the prince, the witch, she was coming up. And Rapunzel said that, tell me, Dame Gothel, the prince's name was Dame Gothel. She said, tell me, Dame Gothel, how it happens that you are so much heavier for me to draw up than the young king's son. And to the surprise, instead of the prince, now it was the witch. Now the witch came to know what she is doing. Which in an anger, she just took the hair of Rapunzel and snipped, she cut off her hair. And in an anger, she left Rapunzel into the deep forest to live a miserable life. Now, hereafter, the next evening, the very next evening, the prince came up to climb. Now, the witch, she had the braid, the hair of Rapunzel. When the prince called for the hair to be let down so that he could come up, the witch let the hair fall down. When the hair came down, the prince, he climbed up with the help of the hair and went up. And to his astonishment, he saw the witch over there. The witch told him everything, that now Rapunzel, you will not find her anyway. I have left her into the forest. She is leading a miserable life. You have lost her ever. The prince cried a lot. He just wanted to save his life. He jumped up from the tower, and all of a sudden he fell into the bushes where it was full of thorns. The thorns of the bushes went into his eyes and he became blind. He was just crying and missing his wife. He went to the forest. Luckily, one day he found Rapunzel with two of the twins whom she has given birth. Rapunzel identified that this was the prince, and prince also identified this was her Rapunzel, the dearest wife. By looking at her, they both cried. And as soon as when Rapunzel cried, 2 drops of her eye drops fell into the prince's eyes, and his eyes became good. He started see everything again. Okay, now he was no more blind. So like this, they both now lived a very happy life, and the prince took her back to the kingdom. They both became the king and the queen. So this is a story. Read the story. Thank you.